Today we are going to talk about how to change your WhatsApp fonts without downloading a third-party app. Now there are so many third-party apps that can give you very cool WhatsApp fonts, but the problem is that if you do not have enough space on your phone to download these apps, then it simply means that you may need to let go of some apps on your phone in order for you to be able to download these apps. But this tutorial will teach you how you can change your WhatsApp fonts without downloading these apps. So let's get started. It brought out *message*, which simply means that we can manually type in *message* in order for us to get the bold font. So I'm going to type in *message* to see if I'll get the same result. So it's still the same result. There's a font that is not included in the list, and that's the bold strike through. But I'm going to show you how you can manually achieve that. So that's how to change your WhatsApp fonts without a third-party app. So until next time, bye!
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.